The Mazda MX-5, or Miata, is beloved for its light weight and nimble handling. But for years, enthusiasts have felt one thing was missing: power. The Roadster's small engine has always been a point of criticism, with many wishing for more horsepower to match its sharp cornering abilities. But instead of sticking with the factory setup, car enthusiasts have taken matters into their own hands, swapping out the Miata's modest engine for something much more exciting, a V8. And now, one of these modified Miatas is up for auction, and it's not just any run-of-the-mill swap job. This 2012 Mazda MX-5 Special Edition, in stunning velocity red, has been completely transformed into a powerhouse. While the Miata is known for its relatively simple and compact design, this particular model packs a punch under the hood: a 5.3-liter naturally aspirated small block GM V8. It's not a colossal, twin-turbocharged engine meant for drag racing, but it's still an impressive upgrade. The V8 is reported to have made 379 horsepower at the rear wheels on the dyno, which significantly outstrips the stock 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine in the standard Miata. While no formal documentation of the power figures is available, the sheer sound and performance of the car leave little doubt that it's a significant step up in terms of performance. This isn't a hack job either. The engine swap has been handled by V8 Roadsters, a company that specializes in fitting V8 engines into the MX-5. As a result, the small block V8 fits well under the hood, with extra space for good measure, making it a neat and practical fit. A 6-speed manual transmission from Tremec channels the power to the rear wheels, while a Chevrolet Camaro SS limited-slip differential ensures better power distribution, making the car more stable and responsive. But as exciting as the engine is, this Miata does have its quirks. The car has a rebuilt title, which means it has been previously written off and repaired. It also has several cosmetic issues, chips, scratches, and other wear and tear on the body. The trunk is misaligned, the seats are showing signs of age, and the air conditioning needs a recharge. Additionally, there are some electrical issues to deal with, such as an inaccurate speedometer, gas gauge problems, and inoperable power locks and horn. However, despite these issues, the most important thing is the car's driving experience. The combination of a small block V8 engine, manual transmission, and the Miata's lightweight chassis makes this a dream car for driving enthusiasts. The car sounds incredible when driven, and its handling, even with the added power, is just as precise as one would expect from a Miata. If you're interested in owning this one-of-a-kind project car, it's currently up for auction on Cars and Bids. As of the latest update, the bid stands at $10,111, but that's likely to rise as more buyers get wind of this powerful, modified Miata. While it may be a project car with its share of flaws, the idea of driving a V8-powered Miata is enough to make anyone's heart race. For those who want to see this car in action, a drive video is available online, giving a taste of the thrilling performance this little roadster can deliver. If you're looking for a unique driving experience with a lot of potential, this Miata could be the perfect car to restore and make your own.